Hi guys and welcome back. So today I want to show you something that it seems to be is nobody talking about. So and related to the Bitcoin price. So and if I'm correct here, then we are almost at the end of this downwards trend. So and guys, don't forget, if you are new to this channel here, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will always be notified when I do such an important video as today. So and now let's directly get into the content. So first of all, I will talk about the 4-hourly chart here. So and what we can see here is that the Bitcoin price is right now testing the $41,000 support here. And I think that is not over yet. So I think we will see here another test of it. Then we'll come up again and maybe another test, and then we will go up here. So why do I think this? Because the stochastic RSI on the 4-hourly chart is about to give a sell signal. So and that tells me that we might be in here for another test of this support zone here before we will see here further upwards movement. Also, when we take the EMA ribbon, so we are still under the EMA ribbon with the price action. So what we want to see is the price breaking into the ribbon, staying within the ribbon, breaking above, and then staying above the ribbon to get into a new uptrend. So for now, that is not the case. We have to be patient here. But yeah, like I said a couple days ago already, most likely next week all this might be over and we finally return back to the upside. So and also when we go back here to the daily chart, remember guys, we are already at the bottom here on a stochastic RSI. So a bounce is definitely imminent for the Bitcoin price here in the next coming days to the upside. So I want to remind you once again that we have here these falling wedges, 3 of them, and every time by the last two when we touched the bottom of the falling wedge, we got a massive move here to the upside, created a new falling wedge, came again to the bottom of it, and had another move to the upside. So if history repeats itself, we will see the same thing here in this falling wedge once again. So but now I want to show you the interesting part. For this I go here to a daily chart, to a new daily chart. So what if we are right now in a Wyckoff accumulation schematic? So why do I believe that we are most likely in a new Wyckoff accumulation schematic? Look here at this. So we have here the move to the downside, and then we have here an impulse move back to the upside, come back down. So and that is then phase A. So create here a lower high point in phase B, come back, create here then a new low point, and then start slowly go up here again in phase B. So now when we're looking at this, we had here our high point, then we came all the way down here, then we came up here, created a new higher a lower high point, and went then down. So that means sorry guys, that we are most likely right now at point B in the Wyckoff accumulation schematic here at the ST in phase B. So and that is the support in phase B. So we are most likely right now here at the support. Why do I think that we are at the support? So now let me show you guys. So we can see here that the $41,000 level, actually lower here. Let me go up here a little bit again. So now I want to make this a little bit more visible. So you can see here that we have a lot of confluence here at the $41,000 level. So we have confluence here, up there, here, also here, 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 So here we came close to it. So, and here we touched it now again. So this is a really, really crucial level for Bitcoin. So, and that tells me that if we are right now in a Wyckoff accumulation schematic, that we are right now testing here this support line. So, and this should actually hold. So if we're in a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, then we will know really, really quick, because we should from here see a bounce back to the upside that I'm talking about already for a couple of days, and especially here on the daily chart. Ah, come on. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, so especially here on the daily chart, so this should actually hold and give us here a new high point. So based on the Wyckoff accumulation schematic, the next high point so could be around the $60,000 level, or around the $57,000 level. Yeah, so these are the two levels where the next high point should be, because the next high point that is here in phase B should be higher than this one here at 52,000. So let me show you why. So here, the first one, here the AR, actual resistance here, so that is $52,000. So then we came here down, so and then up again and then down here. So here, this high point, the next high point here, that should be around the $62,000 level. So it doesn't mean that we go now in a straight line up to this price level. No, in a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, what happens is that we go up a little bit, we go down, we go sideways, maybe we go down, then we come up again, we go sideways, we go a little bit more up, we go again sideways down, we go up, sideways, and then eventually touch it, and then go again all the way down. So we should be prepared that this here might not be the final low if this is a Wyckoff accumulation pattern. So we will create the second high point and then create a second low point, which could be slightly lower, not much, maybe $38,000 could be that low point, and then we get finally our move to the upside for good. So some people say that this here right now is already the spring in the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, so that we are already here at this low point, and from there now get a move to the upside. Technically that's also possible, but when I look at the price action here, also when I go here back, so my problem with this is, so because they are starting, most of them, they are starting from here. In a Wyckoff accumulation pattern, we have to come out of an uptrend down and then start accumulating, and then later we go up again. So here it's vice versa. So here we go down. So but then we have a really, really low high point. So, and it just doesn't make sense that this is then the Wyckoff accumulation pattern with a spring all the way over here. So when you look at the schematic, it doesn't fit the schematic. What here you can also see it in this example. So we have to come out of a downtrend, start here, our accumulation phase, go down, come up, go down here, and then go to the upside again. So this is here in this area not the case. So here, yes, phase A completed, now getting in phase B. That is what most likely is here playing out right now on the Bitcoin price chart. So, and that obviously should give us hope that we will reverse here back in the next coming days to the upside, and see here new all-time highs. So I'm not saying that is tomorrow, I'm saying this will definitely happen in the next coming weeks and months, that we will see here a new all-time high once again in the Bitcoin price. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to smash up the like button, click subscribe button, and hit also the notification bell. So, and yeah, for now I'm not really trading. And just to get to the point about the title, so I'm opening an historical trade that of a size that I've never opened yet, a trade, when I'm sure that this here is a wake of accumulation pattern at the spring, which should be here then in phase D. So here's phase D. At that moment, I will open a Bitcoin trade in a size that I have never opened yet, a Bitcoin trade. See you tomorrow.